This pink mechanical keyboard promises a lot for gamers, but does it deliver on its dazzling RGB and tactile promises? Let's dive in. Right out of the box, the OJOINK keyboard feels surprisingly solid. It boasts a metal and ABS construction, which gives it a premium feel that you don't always find in this price range. The 104 key layout is standard, but the real star here is the RGB backlighting. You can customize it without any drivers, which is a huge plus. There are 10 preset modes, and you can even get into custom lighting for different zones, which is pretty neat for setting up a specific aesthetic on your desk. The typing experience is where this keyboard really tries to shine. It features tactile mechanical switches, meaning you get that satisfying click and bump with each keystroke. This is great for gaming, as it provides clear feedback, and it's also pretty decent for typing, though some might find the medium resistance a bit much for long typing sessions. The anti-ghosting feature is crucial for gamers, ensuring that multiple key presses register simultaneously at high speed, which is essential for those fast-paced gaming moments. Beyond the core gaming features, OJOINK has included some handy shortcuts. The FN key combined with the F1, F12 keys gives you quick access to things like the calculator, email, and media controls. It's a small touch, but it really streamlines workflow. The ergonomic design with stepped keycaps is also a nice consideration, aiming to reduce fatigue during extended use. The double-shot keycaps are a good sign for durability, meaning the legends won't wear off easily. Now, is it perfect? For the price, it's a very compelling option. The RGB is vibrant, the build quality is robust, and the mechanical switches offer that desirable tactile feedback. If you're a gamer looking for a stylish and functional keyboard that won't break the bank, this OJOINK pink mechanical keyboard is definitely worth considering. It brings a good balance of aesthetics, performance, and value to the table.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.